rotate. Bad start. Good second game. Hopefully more 2/3. Please.
Well, sometimes you bowl well and sometimes you learn lessons, and obviously you can see by the 7-10. The lesson learned today was just trying to handle my frustrations a little better. I'll show you guys the end of my block. I did a little better job at the end. The majority of the first half of my block just went poorly because of just the emotional roller coaster I kind of rode it today in terms of highs and lows. I watched a lot of the lefties bowl really, really well, and I just wasn't able to capitalize on the left side that was there. I think there's like 6 of them in the top 10 or top 12. So there's no reason I shouldn't be up there. So tomorrow I'm gonna watch a little bit, film a little bit, practice a little bit. But yeah, I need to learn how to handle my emotions and watch the lefties objectively, saying, okay, what are they doing? How are they striking? Not, why am I not up there with them? I stink. Time to bounce back tomorrow. Good day of practice. Travel down Monday, and then we'll bring in the regional on Tuesday. So time to bounce back mentally. Some of the hardest parts about bowling out here is definitely the mental grind, and today I lost the battle, but that doesn't mean I can lose it tomorrow. So back on tomorrow, I'll show you guys the rest of my block here and then wrap it up at the end.
We're getting autographs right now.
Yeah,
This
we're
is terrible. You're filming your forehead.
Where
No
are
one
we?
can see anything.
So what? Where do I hold it?
There you go.
Oh.
I got lopes.
It was -5. It was -5.
Come on,
278 game 7.
anything.
We're plus 73.
All right.
153.
No, that's cool. I threw the wrong ball in game 5 and I bowled 250. So I was like, okay, I guess I have to start with it the next game. 190 and 190.
Let me tell you what happened. I thought I could throw reactive. I thought I was skilled.
But that was crazy though.
270.
That was crazy.
270.
No.
I come down
No.
and I say, you should switch. I missed a 5 pin as well. That,
You missed the 5 pin?
yeah, that's part of it.
I mean, I feel like this is an important question. Was it left or right?
That's right.
I watched Brad miss a 5 pin
past
last
it.
week after.
And by hook pass it, I mean I missed it.
That's not ideal, man. That's not ideal.
No, it was me. I missed it.
Such a sad
Did you miss the
segment.
cut?
And then I
Where are you at?
Yeah, like 30.
Like
Yeah.
30?
Yeah,
Like on the
What's
nose?
like
Yeah.
30?
Fuck
like
you.
exactly
I'm
30.
27.
like 30. Yeah.
I'm
like
27.
exactly 30.
This is gonna play again at night when he's the cut and I'm the first guy out.
I bowled well.
That's enough points.
Yeah, I think so too. I was pretty much even. I was 80 over for the first 4, and then I was 7 under for the last 4. Yeah, I think that they were hard, and I think
Whoa.
that the scores are going to be even lower the next block.
Got that bed head.
Film 4K on the front camera? Yeah, you can, baby. Brad don't even know about that iPhone life. And I don't even know about that cut making life. As Chris and I predicted, I was not the first one out, but I was pretty much the first one out. I missed by 3. Sloan also missed the cut by 1, so
5 pin.
I'm gonna practice tomorrow and we're gonna film Calvin all day because he's gonna make a run.
Okay,
We're gonna film Kev all day because
it's gonna be not that entertaining.
certainly-
I get mad at that.
certainly won't be filming Brad and I practicing the whole day, that's for sure. You wanna say something to him?
No.
You wanna end it for us?
No.